Video editing is a great way to combine and enhance digital content, especially for projects and presentations. DaVinci Resolve, a powerful video editing software by Blackmagic Design, offers a range of features to help you create polished videos by blending different media elements seamlessly. DaVinci Resolve is widely used in the film and TV industry because of its ease of use and advanced features. It's also perfect for students looking to improve their video projects. The software includes tools for video editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio mixing, providing everything needed to produce high-quality videos. It also supports collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same project at once. To get started, visit the Blackmagic Design website and download DaVinci Resolve from their support page. Then, choose your operating system from the download section and fill out the registration form to access the installer. Once downloaded, run the installer file and follow the instructions to accept the license agreement and select the installation location. After the installation is complete, you'll be ready to use DaVinci Resolve. For a more detailed walkthrough of the installation and setup process, refer to this video tutorial on the Teaching and Learning Development Office website. Production of multimedia. When starting a new project, it's essential to adjust the settings to suit your needs. Click the gear icon in the bottom right corner to open Project Settings, where you can configure options such as resolution, frame rate, and color settings. For instance, you might set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 HD and the frame rate to 25 frames per second. Additionally, you can customize playback settings and designate where your media files will be saved. Once you've made your adjustments, click Save to apply the changes and begin editing. For a detailed guide on configuring project settings in DaVinci Resolve, refer to this video tutorial on the Teaching and Learning Development Office website, Production of Multimedia. To begin editing, drag and drop your video, audio, and image files into the media pool. Then switch to the Edit page to organize your clips on the timeline. Use editing tools such as Trim, Insert, Overwrite, and Replace to fine-tune your clips. You can also enhance your story by layering additional footage or images over the main clips. Transitions between clips are key to creating a smooth flow, so experiment with different options to achieve a seamless viewing experience. Add titles from the effects library to introduce your video or emphasize key points, and customize them to align with your project's theme. For a comprehensive guide on using editing tools in DaVinci Resolve, refer to this video tutorial on the Teaching and Learning Development Office website, Production of Multimedia. To add subtitles, right-click above the video track and select Add Subtitle Track. Position the playhead where you want the subtitle to appear. Then right-click on the subtitle track and choose Add Subtitle. In the Inspector panel, enter your text and adjust its duration by dragging the edges of the subtitle clip on the timeline. You can also customize the font, size, and color in the Inspector to align with your video style. Subtitles are a valuable addition, helping you reach a broader audience, including non-native speakers and viewers watching without sound. For a detailed guide on customizing subtitles, refer to the video tutorial on the Teaching and Learning Development Office website, Production of multimedia. To export your video, switch to the Deliver page. Choose a preset for platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or select Custom Export for more control over your settings. Give your video a meaningful name, select a save location, set the format to MP4, and choose a codec like H.264 for wide compatibility. Make sure the resolution and frame rate match your project settings to ensure the best quality. Once everything is set, click Add to Render Queue, then click Render All to start exporting your video. For a detailed walkthrough of the exporting process, refer to the video tutorial on the Teaching and Learning Development Office website, Production of Multimedia.
Reflective time.
Can you briefly recap some key steps in the video editing workflow? Which step stands out to you the most?
Refining your prompts is essential for guiding generative AI to deliver more accurate, meaningful, and impactful outputs, especially when creating content to support learning and idea development. Let's explore effective approaches to crafting better prompts and achieving improved results. Query, example, context, or the QEC approach improves AI responses by adding specific examples or background information to your prompts. By providing real-world context, AI can offer more accurate and relevant answers that better meet your needs. For business students, this approach makes learning more practical by connecting theory to real-world examples. When asking AI for help, students can reference recent class discussions or case studies. This added context helps AI provide responses that suit their level of understanding, making complex topics easier to understand. Instead of asking, "Can you explain how differentiation strategy works?" a QEC-based prompt would be, "In my business strategy class, we discussed Apple's market positioning and competitive advantage. Using that case study, can you explain how differentiation strategy works and why it's important for long-term success?" The chain of thought approach guides AI to explain its reasoning step by step. Rather than just providing a final answer, AI outlines the process it follows, making complex ideas easier to grasp. For business students analyzing Apple's marketing strategy, this approach breaks down the company's tactics in detail. Students can ask AI to explain how Apple segments its market, differentiates its products, and implements pricing and promotion strategies. This step-by-step explanation helps students understand how each part contributes to Apple's overall success. Instead of asking, "How does Apple market its products?" a COT-based prompt would be, "Can you walk me through Apple's marketing strategy?" Start by explaining how they identify their target market, then discuss product differentiation, and finish with their pricing and promotion tactics. The flipped interaction approach reverses usual AI interaction. Instead of just answering questions, the AI asks questions to guide you through deeper thinking and reflection. This helps clarify your understanding, much like a tutor, encouraging you to explore ideas and better grasp the topic. For business students studying Apple's marketing, this approach promotes critical thinking. Rather than asking how Apple markets its products, students can share what they already know. The AI then asks questions that prompt students to consider Apple's strengths and customer needs. This helps students engage more deeply with Apple's marketing strategies and apply critical thinking to real-world examples. instead of asking, "How does Apple market its products?" A student might say, "I know Apple focuses on innovation and design." The AI could then ask questions like, "What marketing strategies emphasize these strengths?" Or, "Can you think of recent ads that highlight Apple's innovation?" This dialogue encourages students to think critically about Apple's marketing and analyze it more deeply. Using these approaches will help you get the most out of generative AI. By refining your prompting skills, you'll receive more accurate and relevant responses, enhancing both your learning experience and your ability to create high-quality content.
Reflective time.
Can you recall the 3 prompting methods we covered? Which one do you find most useful?
By now, you should be able to demonstrate an understanding of integrating and re-elaborating digital content. Describe the process of integrating and re-elaborating digital content using digital tools. Use appropriate digital tools to adapt and refine digital content, and apply workflows or approaches to enhance the quality of digital content creation. For additional resources and information, please visit the Digital Competence Education platform